Customer lifetime value, or LTV, is one of the key stats that your company should keep tabs on. What distinguishes LTV from other metrics? Customer lifetime value determines how much money you can expect from a single customer throughout their entire lifespan at your company. LTV helps you gauge how long it takes to recoup sales and marketing costs incurred to acquire a new customer. You are just a few clicks away from analyzing the LTV report for WHMCS, which is delivered by MetricsCube. What's the formula for calculating customer lifetime value? The simplest way to determine LTV is to divide average revenue per user by churn rate. For example, if a client signs up for a product with a 6-month subscription, the amount of money they'll spend during that period presents their own lifetime value. The longer the client continues to buy your services, the bigger the lifetime value becomes. To put it briefly, LTV gives you a thorough understanding of the customer lifecycle that unlocks the power to make proactive business decisions, such as increasing the marketing budget, upgrading the customer service, or improving your pricing model. In order to access the Customer Lifetime Value Report in MetricsCube, once you're logged in, proceed to the Reports tab from the main menu. Then choose the Billing category. Now, click on the LTV report to be moved to its more detailed section. Once you're on the LTV report page, you can easily make full use of all comparison and filtering tools MetricsCube is equipped with. The filtered data can be presented as a visual graph and a summary table. At the top of the page, you can choose a few filters at once to delve deeper into information about customer lifetime value. For this report, you can sort data by client groups and countries. In addition, customer lifetime value can be monitored over various periods of time. To get precise results, you can correlate data from 5 different comparison periods. To respond to the needs of each client, we've designed a mechanism that allows you to analyze data by client groups or countries. Simply select the preferred feature from the drop-down menu. As you can see, you'll quickly find parallels among different customer locations. If you're looking forward to discovering more about MetricsCube reports, feel free to check out our previous video. Customer lifetime value is a fundamental metric that your company cannot afford to ignore. Luckily, with our revolutionary solution, gaining an extraordinarily deep insight into your business couldn't get any simpler. So let's unveil some more secrets about customer lifetime value. When is LTV increasing? You keep improving your services so that more and more customers are staying with you for longer. Your average revenue per user is rising. You can stimulate this trend with a fresh approach and several key adjustments to your business model. Why is LTV declining? Your churn is too high, and customers are abandoning your services way too often. Your clients are not spending as much money on your services on a monthly basis as they used to. Let MetricsCube help you figure out how to grow relationships with your clients to last a lifetime. Give it a try with a free 14-day trial at MetricsCube.io.